Hey guys, this is Sandy23 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to V Rainy Days official MV. Okay. So the thumbnail, he has his eyes there, V. So he said that in the playlist when we are going to listen to his songs together, they're going to be interconnected, or this after comes this, yeah, that makes sense, that kind of thing. So maybe it is connected to Love Me Again too. Let's see what kind of song this is. Let's start the reaction to this one without further ado. Okay, see. Okay, when you listen really carefully. Okay, what? Okay, piano keys. First of all, I'm gonna love the song because of that. So here something went really fast. What was it? Okay, this is doing that with the finger. Okay, he's waiting for something. He's waiting for something. What? Loops go wheeling. Ah, his eyes. Okay, lots of loops of his eyes. Nice. He's messaging someone and waiting for the reply. Okay, so that's a really nice effect because the ticking the clock is added to the music here, which is representing maybe it's waiting for the message reply. Maybe I don't know. Love the visuals. He has such interesting concepts. Really, he's waiting with the hands. Ah, cozy and stuck. Okay, another 3 line. I knew this is going to be my vibe song here, right there in this album, because love that the ticking voices is the ticking is continuing in the music, which is like he is still waiting for the reply. Maybe it's just after Love Me Again when he did the karaoke, and then it's his house, he's doing his regular things. Maybe that kind of thing is gonna happen and he's missing that person. Maybe that kind of song it is. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, enough. I'm gonna not repeat this now. Okay, he looks so amazing. Come on. Take. Okay. The piano. Okay. Again. Rainy days. Ah, Yurtle is there. Oh, that's. So he's remembering her in the rainy days, okay? It's after the breakup. It's after Love Me Again, okay? See, he was right. He was in his room and he's doing his domestic stuff, what he does. He's waking up, trying to wake up, and he's missing that kind. Okay, right back to you. Really. Okay. Did you guys notice the V bird? Birds normally fly in a V formation, and he has used that here. Nice. And the rainy day because of that cloudy day. Okay, nice. Let's see more. Okay, wait. Here, what to say? Way back to you. You want to laze around in a rainy day though. True. Okay. It's not. Okay, it's like that. Okay. Staring at my phone. Okay. He is still waiting. That's what I said. That's why there is a ticking noise. The clock. Time is passing through and he's waiting. That kind of thing. I'm hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own. Maybe. Oh, you're so cute. Okay. He's waiting. He's alone. He's just like that kind of thing. Waiting for the call back. Okay. It's like that. On the rainy days, like staring at my phone, why don't you call lately? I've been on my own. Maybe. What's now behind us? Amazing, okay. The way it's like this is flashback. He's doing the same thing, but he's smiling. That is a really nice effect. You can see it so well, the changes, man. Well thought out. It's too late, but somehow. Oh, look at that. To say right back to you. This is so nice, man. I love this song. Oh man, I'm loving this song, really. God. Rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. Just thinking about you, man. Watching. Find the way right back to you. Rainy days like. Okay, it's flowers blooming and then going back. Him smiling. He's going through it. Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. Okay. I'm loving the beats here. It's slow. The song is slow and the beat is so good. And the ticking noise is also there. It is a nice use here. Look at his eyes, man, first of all. And then there is him only here also. Okay. Lots of. He laughed the most and going in rush. Okay, he makes them. Okay, is it like that or something? Okay. It can be. We can start again, open all the doors. Okay. Oh, did he make a... Yeah, he is making them. We layover. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 4-leaf clover. Okay. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. See, he remembers the happy time. He remembers everything with her, and then he remembers the hurtful words and sad time also. But he still misses his other half, kind of thing, like that kind. Oh man. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? In the back, there is like his concept photo is there revolving there. Did you notice that here? Okay. Look at that. He's making something. Gonna be an abstract, most probably. Maybe, right? What to say? Yeah, it's an abstract. Rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? How to find the way right back to you. Small abstract in the back. Here, like what? Okay, this is so different. What was that in his face structure? What is this? Okay, it's just similar to that. Okay. Piano keys and the okay, and then there's this message too. In the end, did she reply? Did she not? That kind of thing. Okay, still waiting. Cute Yoten. And him too. Cute Yoten and Tae waiting for the reply. Okay, this is so cute. He is looking so cute here. Like what is happening here? Maybe it's because doing the domestic soft things. I don't know, his work in here. Like what is happening to me? Like it's so cute. Rainy days. All right. So this song is definitely connected to Love Me Again, because he was singing that karaoke song. Then this came after that, most probably, because he was remembering their days together and missing her, and he remembers the good times also, the bad times also, and he's still waiting for the reply. He has messaged her or something, and he's waiting, and the ticking sound is constantly in his mind, like throughout the whole day, that he's still waiting for the reply. And he's doing his work, he's still alone, he's waiting for it, that kind of thing. It has, I don't know what to feel. It is a vibe song and I loved it. Really, it is a good song. It's good to listen to. You can vibe to it. It's calm. It's nice. But the sadness here, because he's still missing this person, this kind of thing. Okay, and he's there with Jordan doing his work. He's an artist in this, and he's making uh, sculptures, some kind of clay sculpture, and doing paintings and taking his mind off what he's feeling. It's still in the back of his mind. He's still waiting for a reply. He's moving forward in some way, but he's still missing. The portrayal is really nice. So it is really good song. I liked it. So what kind of other songs I'm waiting now? I eagerly waiting for other songs they're going to be, because there's going to be 5 or 6 songs I think in Layover. So what kind of songs are there, how connected they are to each other, it's going to be fun to listen to together. So if you like my reaction to this one, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments and suggestions, you can put it on the comment section. With